hunt to find all the Christmas lights in London today. It's a very chilly night. Don't know how many I could make it, but stay tuned. The first stop here today is Covent Garden. It's such an amazing vibe here in Covent Garden. Also one of my favorite places in London. There's so much to do here, especially during Christmas. So this is a Christmas market. There's a huge Christmas tree outside. Everyone across the world is coming here to see the Christmas lights, the Christmas tree, and the vibe is so positive and nice. When you just walk into this market, you instantly start to feel so Christmassy. Second stop in our Christmas lights exploration in London is St. Martin's Lane actually. It's just opposite to Covent Garden, but यहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग आते हैं. But I think it's such a pretty display of Christmas lights. काफी underrated है guys, but मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Also one more thing, by the end of this video, आपको count करके मुझे बताना है कि मैंने total कितने Christmas lights आपको दिखाए इस पूरे वीडियो में. और जिसने भी correct answer दिया उसको मैं अगले वीडियो में shout out देने वाली हूँ. So please watch the video till the end. Guys, right now I am in Leicester Square Christmas Market. Really crowded. This is actually my first time in Leicester Square Christmas Market. यहाँ पे भी Christmas lights रहते हैं, वहाँ पे लंदन में Christmas Market भी होता है. तो Christmas Market में ऐसा रहता है कि specialty चीज़ें मिलती है. Churros खा सकते हैं आप, या फिर hot chocolate, candies like these around me. Shall I go for it, guys? Shall I go for it? Hot chocolate. Cheers. Hi, can I have one roll macaroni? One. Yeah. You have orange flavor. This is brilliant. Vanilla inside it. I don't know if you could see it. Guys, मैं आ चुकी हूँ इस वक्त Piccadilly Circus में, one of the most happening places in London. I'm gonna show you the Christmas lights in few minutes, but I can already feel the energy. This place is so energetic. Let's go and take a look at the Christmas lights. Very beautiful Christmas lights to see in London. It's Piccadilly Circus. This bus actually in my background which shows you all the Christmas lights. It takes you from places to places. आ चुके हैं हम इस वक्त Regent Street में. It's one of the most beautiful streets in London. Currently I have reached Soho, again in central London. It's like the only street in central London which is absolutely empty. It's quite nice and refreshing for a break because every other street is like pouring with people. This is Oxford Street. So the lights are as usual the star lights. They're quite pretty I could say. मैं first time जब लंदन में आई थी मैं Oxford Circus में घूम गई थी. So it kind of feels nostalgic. Just got myself hot Woke, super famished. It's quite yummy. It feels nice to have noodles on a very chilly day. How did you find the vlog as of yet? Are you guys enjoying the Christmas lights here? Let me know in the comments section which one was your favorite. Welcome to another day guys. यहाँ पे actually मैं Canary Wharf में ही रहती हूँ तो मैंने सोचा कि Canary Wharf को तो include करना ही पड़ेगा. A lot of tourists are here to see the Christmas lights. Really love the decorations. जितने भी पेड़ है यहाँ पे उन सारे पेड़ों पे उन्होंने Christmas lights लगाए हैं and it looks so pretty. क्रिसमस मार्केट। बाकी सब मैं हर साल एक्सप्लोर कर चुकी हूँ, बट ये मेरे लिए न्यू है। साउथ बैंक क्रिसमस मार्केट इज राइट ऑपोजिट टू द लंडन आई, एंड यहाँ से यू कैन सी वेस्टमिंस्टर, माय फेवरेट प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड, and Canary Wharf. The views here are absolutely stunning. I have now arrived at the South Bank Christmas Market. It's so amazing. The vibes here are very different from any other Christmas markets that I've visited in London so far. You've got River Thames on the other side. I can see so many people around, and it's a Sunday, so obviously very crowded by tourists. I can't wait to go inside and check out this Christmas market. Oh my god, this place is so awesome. It's called the Thirsty Farrier, and it's their premium hot chocolate. Hands down, one of the best hot chocolates I've ever had in a very, very long while. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. I don't think I've seen this one before. Hi, just this one, please. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I have arrived at Battersea Power Station. यहाँ पे हवा बहुत ज़्यादा तेज चलती है, ऊपर पावर स्टेशन है। It's also a very popular tourist destination. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे Battersea Power Station Christmas Market विजिट करने आए हैं। Battersea Power Station में पहले भी एक बार आ चुकी हूँ fireworks festival के लिए। I really wanted to show this area to you. Hopefully today Christmas market दिखाने के साथ साथ maybe I can show you a little bit of Battersea Power Station area. One day I'll come here and I'll just make a whole vlog for this area because it's so big. Like, I think I saw like 3 Christmas trees ever since I walked inside, which is quite exciting. I can actually see from here Christmas market. I am super excited because from the look of it, it's actually set up in a very different manner. From the start of the video, I asked you this question कि total कितने Christmas markets मैंने इस वीडियो में visit किए हैं. Are you guys taking account of it? अंदर आ चुकी हूँ मैं Battersea Power Station Christmas market के, and I can smell fresh marshmallows, hot chocolate. I can actually smell fresh fudge inside. I'm starving. Let's go inside and see what all they've got. I've heard that they've also got ice skating rim here. और ऊपर से इन्होंने जो चिमनीज है, उन 2 चिमनीज पे एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्टर लगा के आई थिंक क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन किया है, और वो बहुत कूल लग रहा है. It's not like any other Christmas market. I can see that it's kind of huge, so I think it's going to be fun taking a walk inside. This game called Lucky Cup. Ball has to go inside the bar. If you win, you get a soft ball. Fingers crossed. First time coming to this area and it's so fancy, guys. Having said that, one of my friends told me Dubai makes shop at Hafiz Mustafa, and I just found it here in London, which is right there on the other side of the road. I think I'm gonna go and take a look. This is the most famous baklava of this shop.
This one over here.
What is it called? A salesman was very kind enough, so he just offered me a sample to eat. So this one is the pistachio baklava. Very good. Hi, we'll have this one.
You need ice cream?
Ice cream?
Yeah.
If it's included, then we'll have it. Yeah. It looks so good. Hi. Hot, please. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. So nice. I'm gonna try one. I tried this chocolate here. They're so good, guys. Love it. Thank you so much. chocolate baklava. देख के ही भूख लग रही है, खाने की इच्छा हो रही है. So visually very enticing. I feel like digging in. Mind-blowing. One of the best baklavas that I've ever eaten. So I went to this place called Al Aris, which is a Lebanese restaurant. It was my first time trying Lebanese cuisine and it was amazing. By the way, I am right now in front of Harrods Christmas lights. I don't think I've seen something like this before. अभी यहाँ पे आके मुझे बिल्कुल दुबई वाली vibes आ रही है. This area is like a proper shopping paradise. Right now seeing the Knightsbridge Christmas lights and oh my god, this road looks marvelous. I'm enjoying. Another day. I was just returning home from work and I thought let's explore the Christmas market in the Liverpool street. So currently I am at Old Spitalfield Christmas market and just came across this really cute stall of crockery. You get to see all these designs in Christmas markets because a lot of people showcase their handmade products and artwork. I really love the Christmas tree. This one here, like a lamb. As you can see, everything is handmade and hats off to the artist actually because it takes a lot of time to create cool stuff like that. The bowl here is also so beautiful. Don't know if you can see, but the work inside is very intricate. I love how beautiful it is. Inside in the Spitalfield Christmas market, I came across this Neapolitan pizza place and I ordered pizza portafolio. I don't know the pronunciation, sorry if I mess up, but this is how it looks like. They just fold this pizza. That's why it's called pizza portafolio. And then if I open it, this is how it looks like. OMG, I've never tried something like this before. Not bad. First time here in this shop called Fortnum & Mason. Found this really interesting flavor, rose in the violet dress, 70% dark chocolate. When you're around here in London during Christmas time, do check out this shop. I am at St. Pancras International Station right now. Just came here to see this famous Wicked Christmas tree. It's all over my Instagram feed right now. Do you think it's worth the hype? It has started to rain here in London. Typical London weather. Drizzling right now, so nothing to worry about. But in an hour, it's going to be pouring. But before that, I thought I'll quickly show you this location here, which is Coldrops Yard in London. I am standing right in front of the Coldrops Yard Christmas tree. This is a massive Christmas tree and the fact that it's real. So on the opposite side of this Christmas tree is actually, wait for it, is the LED Christmas tree. Do you remember the dark chocolate that I bought from Fortnum & Mason a couple of minutes ago? So fancy that I don't feel like eating it. I really love it. It's got like hints of rose and violet fondant. It's really not overpowering, which makes it so good. Guys, मैं अभी आ चुकी हूँ Somerset House में. You know what makes this place special is the ice rink here. I can see a lot of people having fun here on the ice. I really love Somerset House. With the lights on, it looks really, really, really pretty. Right now in front of the Strand. I don't know how I missed this one the other day. लेकिन आज मैं सोमरसेट हाउस से दूसरी जगह जा रही थी तो मुझे ये रास्ते में दिख गया है। सो कूल। I was really excited to come to Trafalgar Square and see this Christmas tree here. Christmas tree दिख रहा है आपको background में? This Christmas tree came straight from Norway. Norway की गवर्नमेंट जो है वो लंदन में हर साल भेजती है क्रिसमस के दौरान, और ये ट्रेडिशन इसीलिए है बिकॉज वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 में लंदन ने नॉर्वे की बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प की थी। तो जस्ट टू शो द ग्रैटिट्यूड 1947 से एवरी ईयर, इट्स 2024 नाउ, दे सेंड अ क्रिसमस ट्री। राइट ऑपोजिट टू द क्रिसमस ट्री इज द Trafalgar Square Christmas market. You've got a lot of stuff here, mulled wine, hot chocolate. आ चुके हैं हम अब न्यू बॉर्न स्ट्रीट में। यहाँ सारे जो भी क्रिसमस लाइट्स लगे हुए हैं, these are sponsored by Chanel. I just found this place in Oxford Street called Bread and Co. And the hot chocolate is a Christmas special hot chocolate. It's amazing. आ चुके हैं हम Hadley Fort में। I think you guys must be wondering कि suddenly मैं लंदन आई में कैसे पहुंच गई हूँ। लंदन मुझे क्रिसमस टाइम में टॉप व्यू देखना था, and I've never been inside London during night time, so I thought this would be a really good time. I am standing here in front of the London Eye, and this is London Eye's Christmas lights. It's beautiful. I love it. I am currently in Mayfair area of London, and behind me you can see is Dior's Christmas light. Last few Christmas lights to go, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the whole video with me. Picture abhi baki hai, video abhi aur hai, so keep watching. I have now reached to Burlington Arcade, looking super duper pretty with all the ribbons and parachute decorations inside. I am in Savile Row. You must be wondering why they've got scissors as the Christmas light. It's because this place is the heart of suit making in London. It is famous for its bespoke tailoring. I can see from here that there are a lot of suit making shops here. Annabelle's Christmas light is back up. Standing right in front of the Cartier Christmas lights. This street is so flooded with people, I barely have a place to stand.